Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. We're still in Eastern North Carolina visiting with my mom, and I wanted to just do a quick video. I want to share a couple things, but first of all, let me address something that's been going around. Some of you guys seem to think that I am hippie dude, and that's just not true. Let me show you.
Hey dudes!
Hey, what can I say? My brother Scott will be here shortly. Got something special to give him. Stick around.
Later dudes!
Yeah, I know, man.
Really good to see you again, hippie dude.
Yeah. Listen, be careful.
Hey,
we'll be
take
home in a
care.
couple of days. Take
Yeah.
care, man.
Merry Christmas, man.
Do you ever understand what he's saying?
Not all the time.
I know. It's really weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys.
Hi.
My brother Scott, we're back.
Hi.
Got something special to give to my brother Scott. Let me reset the camera and we'll share that with you. This is a gift for you too.
Yeah.
From another modeler.
Yes.
Check it out.
All right.
So, guys, some of you remember when we were in Atlanta, as we pulled in the parking lot and Amanda and I were getting out, we were met by one of our fellow modelers in the community, awesome guy. I love him to death, Jeff Elliott. And Jeff had a couple of gifts for myself and one for my brother Scott. If you remember a video that we did back in the summer, Scott, we were reminiscing about the first models we built, and Scott mentioned
Yes.
one that was the very first one he built. And lo and behold, one of the gifts that Jeff gave me specifically for Scott was the first model that he ever built. And if you recall, it was the Pepsi Chevelle. I keep wanting to say Laguna. Well, the same thing, but the Pepsi car from MPC. This was the one, huh?
That's the one.
Well, let's
That
go
was
back
it.
and take a look at it. Let's reminisce. Now,
Okay.
I have not let him open this. He's seen it when he got here. We let him look at it, but
Yep.
he has not seen in the box. But if you don't remember this was one of those classic MPCs, the Pepsi Challenge. I won't keep wanting to say Challenger too, but of the Chevelle. And let's check this thing out.
Look at that.
Hey, look at that.
Still in the... Nice.
She's still sealed up too, guys.
Nice.
Everything.
Yes.
And there's your windows front and back. Guys, if you'd never built these things back in the 70s and even into the 80s, these were, well, they were the source for stock cars. AMT had a few, but these were the kind of the standard there. And
Oh, wow. Look at that.
let's see, when was this edition? This one was,
Has it been the 80s?
I don't know when this last one was
Does it
re-released.
say?
It's actually not on the box.
It is not. I don't see it anywhere listed. Huh.
I'll go to ScaleMates and look it up, but it doesn't really matter. The original instruction sheet, they're a little bit yellow, but I want you to check this out.
Oh, wow.
These are in excellent, excellent condition.
Yes, they are. Wow.
And you know, when you mentioned that, I remembered you building that thing. And wow, everything is still sealed up. Those old classic stock car tires. There's all your chrome. And like some of the Salvino kits today, they're multi-color. Your chassis and components, engine, that kind of stuff are molded in black.
Black.
Yeah, everything in here is sealed up.
Yeah. Wow.
And there's some of your body panels, crush panels, roll bars, and the engine parts and all that are molded in black, and then the other in blue.
Hey.
How about that? Bring back memories?
Yeah, I was about to say, it's bringing back a lot of memories, a lot of good memories. Nice.
Well, for Christmas, you may get HobbyNut.
I'll be sure to watch my thumbs.
Yes, watch your thumbs when you're using HobbyNut. And don't, as I recall, frolic
Yes.
at any time with HobbyKnife in the back
Yes.
pocket.
No
Well,
frolicking.
on behalf of my brother Jeff Elliott, to my brother Scott,
Yes. Thank you.
Passing on an original kit to him.
Yeah.
How about that?
Jeff, thank you so very, very much. This brings back a lot of great memories. Thank you. That was very, very kind of you.
Yes, it was. Love you, Jeff. Mean it, buddy.
Yep.
Now, let me share with you a couple of things in my visit down to MCW Finishes. Now, I'm going to do a separate video on racing colors, and I'm going to show off some of the paints that I picked up down there. So that's going to be a separate video. But some of the kits I picked up down there, I did want to share with you real quick. So let me do that. First thing up, as I was going through there, of course, the name of it is Wings, Wheels, and Waves. And again, if you're ever in the Sanford, North Carolina area, be sure you go down and visit Mike. What an awesome store. And again, the world supply of MCW paints, manufactured and distributed right there. And let me tell you, I've used those paints for a lot of years, and they are top notch. Both the enamels and the lacquers. Great stuff. First thing I picked up was this Los Angeles Class 688 and 688I. This being underwater, you can't see it. Fast Attack Submarine. Why would I get that? But anyway, this was it's just one of those awesome things you can do so many things for. I've got an idea that the USS Phoenix may be appearing out of this one. If you've seen the submarines that I already have on the credenza, some of them in the background of my office, you know why. I just got a thing for subs. The other thing I picked up that was on the 40% off aisle was we just finished our Christmas build with Kim's Custom Garage, and I did the 63 Chevy wagon, and that one was just a quick Christmas build because I got into that one kind of late. But I also, while he was down there, I scooped up another one. Now this is the one without the engine. I got a glare there, guys. Sorry about that. But I got an idea for this one with the engine and some of the stuff with the other ones. So I just had to have enough fun with that one that I had to have another one. So I scooped that up. And also on the 40% aisle, or end cap there, was this Bruce Larson USA 1 Vega Pro Stocker. I've got the Grumpy's Toy version of this, but let me tell you, for the parts, if you're going to do whether it's a Pinto, if you wanted to do a Horizon, anything like that, a lot of these parts are perfect, both era and the tubs and everything. So great set of decals. None of these have been opened yet. You see the USA 1, well, if not for the glare, decals and all of that stuff. But the Bruce Larson, do you remember this?
I do remember
These are the old MPC reissues. Legends of the Quarter Mile.
Pro Stock, yep.
1974 Pro Stock. And
Nice.
cool stuff. Hey, these things were $33.99 and 40% off. So cool. Really great stuff. Really great stuff. Guys, that's it for this go round. Got a few other videos, a few other things coming up. Always good to come up and spend time with Mom and my brothers.
Yes.
Got another thing or two coming up that I'll be sharing with you with one of my other brothers. And I think that's it.
Yeah. Merry Christmas to everyone. The Lord bless and keep you all.
And thank you, Scott. And God bless, guys.
Hey.
We love you, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Thanks, guys.